Good morning, students. Today, arithmetic progression 1.2 continued. So, yesterday up to 6th problem I explained. So, now I am going to explain the next problem, that is 7th problem. What is doing that? 7th bit, find the 31st term. 7th question, find 31st term of arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is how much? 73. So what is telling that we have to find the 31st term. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 31ನೇ ಪದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 11th term is 38 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11ನೇ ಪದ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 11th term 38 and 16th term ಎಷ್ಟದ 73 ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ 11th term given means a plus 10d, 16 means a plus 15d, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ 11th term is 38 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 11th term is 38. So a11 is equal to how much? 38. Correct? So a11 is nothing but what? a11 is
10d.
a plus
10d.
10d is equals to 38. So ಇದು equation 1. Okay, now 16th term is 73. 16th term ಅಂದ್ರೆ a 16 is how much? 73. So a 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus 15d is equals to 73. Equation 2. Okay ना? So equation 1 सिक्तो निम्गे, equation 2 सिक्तो. So now आप लोग क्या करना कि equation 1 और equation 2 में subtract करना. ओके, ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? equation 1 और equation 2 को subtract ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? subtract equation 1 from equation 2. This is called simplification. Okay, simplify answer. Now so equation 2 in 2 we are subtracting 1 na. So first write equation 2. a plus 15d is equals to 73. Equation 1, a plus 10d is equals to 38. So now equation 1 like equation 2. Now we are subtracting now. So downside whichever number equation is there, we have to multiply with the minus sign. So here nothing means what? Plus. Plus will become minus. Here plus will become minus. Okay. So now plus a minus a cancel. So 15d minus 10d 5d is equals to 73 minus 38 how much? 35. So 35. Now d is equals to, this is an into. So center side divide. So 35 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So you got how much? d equal to 7. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಸಿಕ್ತು. So now we have to find a na. For finding any arithmetic progression, what we need what? The common difference and the first term. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಈಗ ಈ d ನ equation 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? substitute d in equation 1 ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ? equation 1 ಏನಂದ್ರೆ a plus 10d is equals to 38. So a plus 10d, 10 into d value is to 7 is equals to 38. Okay na? So a plus 10 sevens are 70 is equals to 38. So a is equals to 70 akade kasre 38 minus 70. So a is equals to 38 minus 70 how much? Minus 32. So minus 32. 2. A is equals to minus 32. Okay now. So now after getting A and D, we can find any number of terms. 31st term is told. So A 31st is equals to A plus 30D. Yes or no? So A 31 is equals to A plus how many D's? 30D. So now A 31 is equals to A is how much? Minus 31 plus minus 32 plus 30D andre 30 into 7. So equal to minus 32 plus 37 the 210. So now subtract 210 minus 32 178. So A31 is equals to 178. ಈ ತರ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 31st ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದರ ಕೇಳಿದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡಿಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ the first term. After that whichever term he asks, that term we have to find. Okay. Eighth question, what is that? An AP consists of 50 terms. There are how many terms? 50. Okay. So an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. There are how many terms? 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms. 50 terms. AP ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು terms sorry 50. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ third term is how much? 12. And last term is ಕೊನೆಯ ಪದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 106. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಫೈಂಡ್ 29th ಟರ್ಮ್. A29 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಫೈಂಡ್ 29th ಟರ್ಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಏನು, ಒನ್ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅದ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50. Okay, there are how many terms? 50 terms. And in that third term is given, that is 12. And the last term is nothing but what? A50. 50 terms are there, so last term is nothing but it is A50. So A50 is how much? 106. So namge ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದೇನು? A29. So same what I did in a seventh problem, na same thing. Solution, what? Third term. So third term is nothing but A3 is equals to how much? 12. Okay, A3 equal to 12. So A3 is nothing but what? A plus 2D equal to 12. This is equation 1 is equal. Again, so here already n value given. N value how much? 50. Correct. There are 50 terms. So n value is 50. So now you know last term andre A50 na. A50 ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾ? 106. Okay. So A plus how many D's? 49. D is equals to 106. Equation 2. Okay. So same seventh problem na. First equation given, second equation given. What we have to do? Now subtract equation 1 from the equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 another is A plus 49D is equals to 106. And equation 1, A plus 2D is equals to 12. Now simplify, minus. Okay, so plus A minus A cancel. 49D minus 2D, 47D. Very good. Now 106 minus 12, how much? 94. So D is equals to 94 divided by into the divide. 47 1s are 47, 47 2s are 94. So common difference ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಿಮ್ಮದು 2. Okay, so copy that. Clear of this? Okay. So now common difference how much? D equal to 2. Now substitute the value of D in equation 1. Equation 1 alli substitute madre. Substitute the value of D in equation 1. Substitute D in equation 1. So equation 1 is the nodre a plus 2d is 2 into d ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರಿ 2 equal to 12. So a plus 2 to the 4 is equals to 12. So a is plus 4 center side. So 12 minus 4. So a is equals to 12 minus 4 8. So we got the value of a. So first term we got, common difference also we got. Now find A29. A29 is nothing but what?
A plus 28.
A29 is equals to a plus 28d. So a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ 8 plus 28 into d ಎಷ್ಟು 2. So 8 plus 28 2s are 56. So 56 plus 8 ಎಷ್ಟು 64. So A29 is equals to 64. Okay na? So whatever we asked we got now. Okay. If the ninth question, if the third and the ninth term of an arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this is 0? If the third term and the ninth term of arithmetic progression is 4 and minus 8. So ninth question, if the third term and ninth term is how much? 4 and minus 8. Okay, so what we have to find? Which term of the AP is 0? Which term of the AP is 0? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ an is equals to 0 already given. What we have to find? We have to find the value of n. Okay, which term, ಯಾವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಯಾವ ಪದ ಅದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ನಮಗೆ an ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Which term of an AP is 0? So that is arithmetic progression an. Last term is 0. So which is the last term? N ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ. Okay, so ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ if the third term. So what is that? A3. Third term ಅಂದ್ರೆ A3. A3 is how much? 4. A3 is nothing but what? A plus 2d is equals to 4. Equation 1. Ninth term is A9 is equals to how much? Minus 8. So A plus 8d is equals to minus 8. Equation 2. Same procedure. What I did in 7th 8th problem, same. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 is A plus 8d is equals to minus 8, and equation 1 A plus 2d is equals to 4. Subtract. So here it is minus. So plus 8 minus 8 cancel. 8d minus 2d 6d. Here both are minus, so add it.
Minus 12.
Minus 12. So d is equals to here into na center side divide. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So d is equals to how much? Minus 12. So now after getting the value of d, we should substitute in equation 1. You can substitute in equation 2 also. Okay. So now substitute d in equation 1. So what is d here? A plus equation 2 into d value is minus 2 is equals to 4. A plus into minus 2 to the 4 is equals to 4. So A is equals to minus 4 center side, 4 plus 4. So A is equals to 8. Okay now. So we got the first term and common difference. Here last term already given. So we are having the formula. What is the formula? An is equals to,
A plus n minus 1.
so an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us find the value of n. n ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So an ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. A value is 8 plus n minus 1 as it is. Common difference
Minus 2.
minus 2. Okay, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ఇక్కడ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ರಿ minus a. So n minus 2 n minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, ಈ into 2 ಇದನ್ನ ఇక్కడ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್. So n minus 1 equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. Minus minus get cancel. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are. So n minus 1 equal to 4. ಈ minus 1 ಅక్కడ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ರಿ n is equals to minus 1 will become plus 1. So n is equals to 5. So at last you should write the what conclusion. There is it is the 0 is the fifth term of a given arithmetic progression. Therefore 0 is the fifth term of given arithmetic progression. Okay. So the 10th question is the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. ಏನಂತಾನೆ 17ನೇ ಪದ ಒಂದು ಸಮಾಂತರ ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು 17ನೇ ಪದ 10ನೇ ಪದದ್ದು 7 ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 7 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗ look here 10th question the 17th term of an AP exceeds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಖಾಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ. We have to find what? Only D. Okay, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Common difference only we have to find. So whatever given write in the equation form. 17th term ಅಂದ್ರೆ A17. Correct? So A17 is equals to what? Exceeds its 10th term. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10ನೇ ಪದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು 7. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? A17 is equals to A10 plus 7. Okay, so now A17. So A17 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A plus 16D. Correct? So now here A10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A plus 9D plus 7. Okay, so ಈ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ A plus 90 ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ A plus 16D minus A minus 90. Correct? Plus will become minus. Okay, so now plus A minus A cancel. 16D minus 90. 16D minus 90 7. D is equals to 7. E into 7 ಅಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ರಿ divide. So 7 by 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. So D is equals to 1. So the common difference is 1. Okay. Okay.